Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to butcher a chicken down. Now this chicken is from the local butchers and it's free range. It's a good quality chicken. You can see the skin, it's nice and shiny and it's a good colour. There's no marks on it. The chicken wings, you know, they're really nice and fresh. They've got good colour on them. Inside the carcass is good as well. It's got good colour and it's a really fresh chicken. So we want to butcher this down. We want to take the chicken breasts off each side, and then we want to take the leg off as well, the wing. So we're just going to take the wing off at this side first. So we'll just discard that and we'll use that in a stock, and then we'll turn the chicken round. And then we want to do the same with the other side. We want to take that wing off as well and just take it off, and then we'll use that in the stock as well. The top tip is just in the center. We want to go straight down the side of the breast and just follow the line. We do want to keep the skin on because that gives really good flavour to the chicken breast. We just want to follow the line all the way around. There we are. And then you're going past the fillet as well. We're going to follow that as well. And what we're going to do with the carcass is we're going to use it in the chicken stock, and we're going to make a nice, fresh, lovely chicken stock that's going to really taste succulent. It's going to be full of flavour. It's going to be really nice. So I want to do that. And we just want to go straight down there, and then we're going to trim it up. We've got quite a bit of chicken skin on there, but we need to trim it up as well. So we're going to do that as well. So you can see that we've got the nice chicken breast with the skin on, and we're going to trim it up, make it look nice. We're going to do the other at the other side as well. So we've got the two chicken breasts, and as you can see, they've got the skin on, got a little bit of feathers on. We'll take them off, just off the skin, off the chicken skin, and then we've got this lovely, and then we're just going to trim the bone as well on the chicken. You know, get right in there and trim that bone, so just so the chicken breast looks nice. And then we're also going to trim round the chicken as well. So we've taken that extra meat from the bone, and as you can see, there we are. That's the extra meat that we're taking from the chicken. I'm going to do that on the other one. Trim that little chicken bone, hook underneath, and just trim it back. You can feel it, you can feel the bone, you can feel the excess chicken. That's good. Don't forget to have a sharp knife. Wear disposable gloves as well, and just wash your hands regularly on the surfaces as well, the chopping board as well. So you want a bigger knife just to get the bone bit out, just to cut that down slightly, and you can save that for the chicken stock as well. Again, just move the chicken to the side, and then just keep your fingers out of the way. Then you've got that nice chicken. And what we're going to do is just take the fillet off, which is underneath, and we're just going to trim it up then. Just make sure it's all nice and trimmed and it's a good shape. And then we'll use the trimmings for the chicken stock. As you can see, we've got the lovely chicken bone there. Got the nice, lovely skin. That's absolutely beautiful. Straight in the tub, and then we'll do the same on the other side. Just trim it up slightly. It's just that excess fat that we're going to take off. Nicely trimmed, and then we've got that nice chicken breast as well. We'll just take a teeny weeny bit off at the top. There we are, we've got that lovely chicken breast, as you can see. There we are. That's how you prep a chicken and take the chicken fillets off a whole chicken. Thank you very much for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to comment, and I'll see you in the next video.